Hi everyone, welcome to week 5. Last week we talked about memos and you prepared an actual memo. This week we'll be looking at chapter 9 and 10, so make sure that you look at that in your textbook and read those chapters. In the business world, sometimes you'll be asked to provide specific information, so you will have to research that information, and you will have formal and informal research methods. You also have primary and secondary research methods. Once you gather that information, you will then send that information out. Now, there are two approaches to writing a business letter. You have the direct approach and you have the indirect approach. Like the memo you prepared last week, you use the direct approach. Someone requested specific information from you and you provided that information back to them. The indirect approach, like we will use this week, the persuasive method, requires a different approach. You'll spend time on a letter that you're going to write to a celebrity. You will tell them about the charity, what the charity does, how their donation will help the charity, and then at the end you will make the request. So you may have said something like, in my position as I do the following things, and list those out, or here's how I spend my day. But with a persuasive message, you're going to say, dear Mr. So-and-so, whatever celebrity or Mrs. you use, we have this charity. Here's how the money is going to be used, who will benefit from your charity, and how the donation will help, who will benefit from the charity. Towards the end of the letter, you make the formal request. Please donate any of the following items for the charity. The approach is a bit different. Your letters this week should look different. So I hope that you have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to reading your letter.